Welcome to today's video where we dive into the tiny powerhouse of nutrition, chia seeds. Packed with omega-3s fiber and a range of essential nutrients, these little seeds have become a popular addition to many diets. Join us as we explore the incredible benefits, versatility, and ways to incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine for a healthier lifestyle. Let's unlock the secrets of this nutritional gem together. Chia seeds are primarily grown in regions with a warm and tropical climate. They have been traditionally cultivated in countries like Mexico, Guatemala, and other parts of Central America. However, due to the increasing popularity of chia seeds, cultivation has expanded to other regions with suitable growing conditions. Some of their benefits are nutrient-rich. Chia seeds are loaded with nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, antioxidants, and various vitamins and minerals. Hydration power. They can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like consistency. This property helps keep you hydrated and may contribute to a feeling of fullness. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA, support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Digestive health. The high fiber content aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut, preventing constipation and supporting overall digestive regularity. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds may help stabilize blood sugar levels due to their soluble fiber content, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes. Rich in antioxidants. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that help protect the body from free radical damage, supporting overall cellular health. Plant-based protein. With a good balance of essential amino acids, chia seeds provide a plant-based protein source, making them valuable for vegetarians and vegans. Bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, contributing to overall bone health. Versatility in cooking. Chia seeds can be easily incorporated into various dishes, from smoothies and puddings to salads and baked goods, adding a nutritional boost to your meals. Sustainable crop. The cultivation of chia seeds is generally environmentally friendly, requiring less water than some other crops, making them a sustainable choice for conscious consumers. Chia seeds are small, nutrient-dense seeds derived from the Salvia hispanica plant.